Hi lovely families, welcome back to my channel. This is Chibli Skin and Body Secrets. If today is your first time seeing this face, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for returning back to this channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. We do skincare, body enhancement, sex enhancement, a lot, hair care, and many more. Okay, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. And today's topic is I'll be sharing. Today's topic is lip gloss. So today I'll be sharing amazing ingredients you can use to make your own lip gloss at home. Chocolate lip gloss for sale, or you want to make it for your personal self, like for personal use, or you want to sell them. You can use this recipe. It is very effective and safe on the lips. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. Like I said, this is Chibli's channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me where you're watching from, and more blessings. Let's go straight to the video without wasting much of your time. So families, I'll be dropping the ingredients on the screen by my left or right hand side. So the first on my list is our lip gloss base. You need our lip gloss base, your vessel gel or vessel gel. You need 80 grams of it. You need 80 grams of our lip gloss gel, base gel. Yeah. So the next one, you need our castor oil. You need castor oil. You need 60 grams of our castor oil. Okay, the reason why I'm giving this measurement in gram, for those that don't understand percentage or cannot measure in percentage or don't have the scale for percentage, that is the reason why I'm giving this on gram. It will be very easy for you to measure, right? Good. Then the next one you'll be needing is our coconut oil. You'll be needing 40 grams of our coconut oil for this lip gloss, our chocolate lip gloss here. The next ingredient you'll be needing is our chocolate flavor oil. You need 4 grams of our chocolate flavor oil. And the next one is our shea butter. You need 16 grams of our you need 16 grams of our shea butter. Yes, shea butter 16 grams. Okay, I'll also be sharing it in percentage in case you want to measure in percentage here. I'll be sharing it on percentage. The Vaso gel, which is our lip gloss base, okay, you'll be needing 80 grams, like I said before. So in percentage is 40%. Yes, you know, I measured in gram. 80 grams of our lip gloss base is also 40%. If you are calculating in percentage, your scale, or you are measuring in gram, that is it. And for the castor oil, I said 40 grams of our castor oil. So in percentage is, so for our castor oil, you need 60 grams of castor oil. In percentage is 30%. If you are to measure in percentage, it is 30%, but in gram is 60 grams. Okay, so the next one is our coconut oil. I said you need your coconut oil 40 grams. Okay, if you are to measure percentage with your percentage, yeah, if you want to measure with percentage, that is 20%. If you need the percentage, is 20%. If you need it in gram, is 40 grams. Okay, so your shea butter, you need shea butter is 16 grams. 16 grams of your shea butter, and in percentage it is 8%. Okay, 8%. Yes. Then for your chocolate flavor oil, I said it before, you need 4 grams of it, measuring in gram. But if you want to measure in percentage, you need 2% of it. All right, yes, that is all you need. So how to make this lip gloss? So the first step you need is to melt your shea butter and your coconut oil using low heat. That is the first step you need to make that is the first step you need to make your lip gloss. The second step you need to do, after melting on low heat, you remove from it and add your castor oil to the mixture. Okay, that is the second step you need. Then the third step you need to do, what you need to do, the next step, which is the third step, you will gently mix it into your Vaso gel. The mixture, you mix it gently into your Vaso gel. You measure your Vaso gel separately. Then the castor oil, the shea butter, and the coconut oil have been melted, right? Then you mix it gently in the Versa gel. So the next step is to add your chocolate flavor oil and stir. Then you allow to cool. Then you fill your lip gloss tubes using syringe. Then you fill your lip gloss tubes or container, whatever you're using to package, you fill it, okay? Yes, that is how to make your lip gloss, your chocolate lip. Then you allow to set for several hours. You allow to set for several hours before packaging. Yeah, don't package immediately after filling it in your pink lips tubes or whatever tubes you're using, or your whatever container you're using. You allow it to set, like allow it settle for several hours before packaging them. Right? So if you want it to be more attractive, you want it to have that chocolate color, you want the chocolate to be very, very visible. If the oil is not giving you that visible chocolate you want, you can add cosmetic grade powder. Yes. So if you want that chocolate color to be very visible in your lip gloss, all you need to do is to get your cosmetic grade brown powder. Yes, just get it. Save for lips. So yes, save for lips edible powders, or you get little cocoa powder, just little, and drop it in. But for me, I'll tell you what I use cosmetic grade powders, mica powders. Yes, that's what I use. Okay, and that is all for today. That is how to make your chocolate lip gloss product. This is amazing, safe on the lips. This one is our strawberry. Yeah, and it's very, very nice and mild on the lips. It's not that type of lip gloss you have on your lips and you start feeling heavy, or you start feeling that burning sensation. No, it is very safe on the lips. So thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys.